Largest condominium floor plan offered in the Plantation, Somerset. Turnkey. Second floor spacious 2,748 square feet. With elegant furnishings and upgrades. 4 bedrooms plus den, 3 full baths, 2-car garage. Elevator ready. Lovely chandelier west/staircase up to open family room. Sliding glass doors lead to lanai west/lake view. Chef's Delight kitchen, all stainless steel appliances, granite counters and backsplash. Tile on diagonal, crown molding throughout. Lovely formal dining room has chandelier and casual eating space features lots of windows. Master bedroom has tray ceiling and fan. Master bath has shower and tub, dual sinks. 2 bedrooms west/private bathroom for your guests. Lanai overlooks lake west/north exposure. Electric shutters on front door and lanai and accordion shutters on side windows. Herds and Fry designed golf course membership optional with 38,000 square foot clubhouse. All residents enjoy outstanding amenities such as resort-style pool and spa, 6 Har-Tru tennis courts, 2 pickleball courts, 4 more proposed, bocce proposed, fitness center and sauna. Located near New Boston Red Sox and Minnesota Twins spring training stadiums. Close to I-75 and shopping malls. Quick access to SWFL International Airport. Not homesteaded.